I'll never forget the way you made me feel. For some point in my life, I had started to think that the things are different now. It's time for me to move on from my past and actually think that the people can change. The people can view you from a different perspective. The people can understand you, they can listen to you, they can feel your sorrows, they can see it in your eyes, and even if they don't meet you, they can still feel you without even touching you. And this was all going on as a slow motion picture in my head. But then, one by one, the scene started to break down, and I started realizing that it was all a false thing. It wasn't just what I was feeling that was the truth, it was a bigger picture lie. It was something I was made to realize by our own actions. I never thought you would put me at this point in my life where I had to speak in this manner to you. I never wanted to hurt you. I never thought I would. But just I can't keep hurting myself anymore. Even I have feelings. I have thoughts. I have dreams. I have passion. There are things I want to achieve. There are things I want to feel. Even I am a human being. I want to be loved. I want to be cared for. I have feelings too. And if they hurt, I get hurt. And if I get hurt, you're gonna get hurt. Stay away from me. I might end up hurting you. This is what I used to tell me. But I guess I'm not that strong to hurt anybody because brought up in such a family where things are quite normal. A middle class, normal family in the mountains where people don't hurt each other. Where people only care for is the feelings of others and not their own. I guess you're not among one of us. So that is why you did this. You might be still thinking that things are fine, they're good. But trust me, they can never be more fucked up. I always expected and believed that you are different. I always expected and believed that you would change things for me. But you know what my mistake was? Expecting. That was my biggest mistake. I never should have expected from other human being. Because the only person who can live up to my expectations is only me. Because if I don't do the things which I wish I would have done, I would be disappointed from me. And I could have lived with that. But disappointed from you, it's quite hard to realize that. But the day I realized that me is only the thing that matters, I realized that okay, the things are gonna be alright now. I am back in control. I'm gonna take the things in my hand and I'm gonna drive them around like crazy. I'm gonna flip over things for me and I'm gonna make all the changes. I don't want you controlling my life anymore. I don't want you in my life anymore. Before you leave, I just want to tell you one thing. I don't need the people who don't need me. If you're there with me, you're there with me as whole. And if you're not, I don't even want a pinch of you. Now you all might be thinking that what is this story about? What I'm talking about? What the fuck is this video? This is what we all are scared to tell the people we care about, even if they're hurting us. If you're with someone who is hurting you, you need to tell them these things so that they realize that they're hurting you. Sometimes, some people, they don't want to hurt you intentionally, but they end up doing so because they're taking you very leniently. Just don't let people take you lightly. कि है तो है, नहीं है तो भी चलेगा. You're not meant to be taken lightly. You are a human being, you have feelings. And if nobody cares for your feelings, you're the one who's gonna care for your own feelings. Just pick yourself up, dust yourself off. You're meant for greater things and not to cry for people. Just tell the people who are not meant to be in your life to go away. Because if you have those people in your life, your attention will be diverted at every point in your life. You will never achieve greatness. You will never achieve your goals because they are keeping you distracted from achieving them, intentionally or unintentionally. And believe me, the moment they leave, it's gonna feel a lot lighter. Though right now you might be thinking that the world might end. It will not, trust me. And the people who are good for you, who are meant for you, they will drive themselves to you. Your energy should be so positive that you drive the positive. You shouldn't be so down and so low and so negative that you drive the negative. Your energy, your vibes matter. Trust me, you human being who's listening to this right now. You're meant for greatness. Yes, you are. Trust me.